unboxing of my new keyboard. Right here, you can see that I actually bought it for $42, and honestly, not a bad buy. It came in a nice box, and we're about to open it right now. This keyboard is 61 keys, and it should be blue switches. It said so. It's pretty nice. I like how it's put in. Let's see what's in here. Okay. So we have the keyboard. We have the instructions right here. That's nice. The connector. So yeah. So this is the instructions right here. Oh, this is pretty cool. It gives me all the instructions to like change the mode. That's actually nice. So yeah, the line's good. It's really protected. I like that. But the main event, the reason why I got all of this is because of this bad boy right here. There's like little bumps on top of all the caps, the keycaps, which makes it really nice. I'll give you guys a test. We have the on button right there. Whoa, that's nice. Alright, we have a little breathing thing right there. I like that little rainbow. What's that? Damn. What's this? Oh, this is like a little random thing. Okay. Oh my god. Ooh, that's gonna no. That's no. Oh, this one's nice. Pretty. Okay, I like that. That's no. That's way too fast. And you're back to normal. The difference of my new keyboard versus my old one. My old one was 60, but it's now selling for 50. Right here is my new keyboard. I really recommend this this keyboard, the Royal Kludge RK61. It's really good. I like it a lot, and I can't wait for me to continue using it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Castaway, aka Eli, aka I don't even know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.